In order to post out an assignment, what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto the classwork section, and then you need to click on create. Once you do that, over here you can see that assignment is an option, and what you can do over here is you can go around and let's say for example my essay 1 right here as an assignment, and I can say something like write an essay. So I'm just going to say write an essay that of 500 words right here. If I want to go around over here and attach out a file, then I can do that as well. So let's say for example I can go around onto upload, or I can access out files from my drive right here and then attach out a relevant document if I want to as well. Let's say for example I'm just going to go around and select out this, and then you can see that students can view out the file over here as well, meaning it'll share out the file. Or you can let the students edit the file or make a copy for each of the student as well, so that they don't have access to the original file, but a copy of the file is sent to individual students. So once this is done, you can go around and set a point for this as well. So let's just go around and keep it at 50 points right here, just like this. And you can also set a due date. So I'm just going to go around over here and set around a due date right here. And you can also go around and set around the time over here. Like let's say for example, I'm going to say 7:55 p.m. over here. And once I do that, you can go around and choose around a topic right here. Let's say for example essay, and then you can also close the submissions after due date right here, meaning the submission area automatically closes once the due date is done. So once this is done, you can go around and click on assign, and what happens is that the assignment will be created. So you can see that the assignment is created under essay right here, and you can see the due date over here as well. And if I were to go around over here under stream, then this is what you have, as you can see. So you can see that I have posted an assignment essay, and this is a space for the students to submit their essay assignment. So that is how you can go around and then create out an assignment inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.